Hello friends, this is Syed Mansoor Ali. Today we'll be discussing market profile in our mathematics segment, and the approach to market profile would be not as traditional market profile approach but a Desi approach without looking into the market profile charts before. Market profile charts are to be accessible by most of us, and it requires a different platform like Ninja Traders, Bell TPO, VTrenders, market profile room. It is true that market profile traders are doing good with the profile trading because they use order flow charts and they follow the big buyers and big sellers, big volume trades, which in our naked eye we cannot see. It is an approach to see market in a different prospect. The candles we see as doji in market profile, it may not be a doji. It may be a bullish candle, it may be a bearish candle, but when we see the market profile charts, it is a different than to a Japanese candlestick. Now this is the market profile chart. If we simply look at the market profile chart, we don't understand what the price movements are. This is a daily candle. Now these daily candles are segregated in different parts. In market profile, normally 30 minutes time frame is used to see the price movement with the volume. In Desi market profile, we cannot have access to those highly paid or moderate higher paid softwares. What is the market profile and how we can use market profile age in our trading at least in a minimum way. So I have tried to decode the age of market profile in my Desi approach, which is commonly known to you, but let's use see how I am placing this market profile in candlestick. Put these candles in 30 minutes time frame. So we will see there are A to N number of candles. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There will be 12 30 minutes candle and one last candle would be of 15 minutes. And see, the first candle is A, first 30 minutes candle after markets open, and it goes on second, third, fourth, fifth, fifth, and on the 10th candle is J, and the last candle is N. So what next? The next is this time slot. When this candle form, A form at 9:15 to 9:45, similarly it is 9:45 to 10:14. As you know, the half an hour candles. Now, what are the important candles for Desi market profile traders? Because we see these candlesticks, not the market profile chart, market profile prints. So this is C candle. For me, this is one of the best and important candle of the market profile traders for and J candle. This is C candle occurs during the first half of the trading hours after 1 hour or 1.5 hour, and this is around at what time J candle form? J candle formed at around 1:45 to 2:15. So these two important candles are there because in C candle people take position, big buyers, or they may take position afterwards also. It is not that they will take only C or D. They may take later also. And mostly intraday traders, they square up their position at the end of the trading hours, and the trading hours ending period would start from 2:15 onwards. So most movements come either after C or after J. Now the some basics of market profile, that is called market profile: value area high, value area low, POC, and previous day is called PD, and I name VPOC, Virgin POC. Now we do not require to break our heads how this market profile what kind of open type, what distribution type, where is the responsive buyer, where is the responsive seller. I will understand because we don't use the regular market profile software. We don't use the order flow charts, so we may not see these kind of things in our observation because we have to be very meticulous to see few things which is very important for desi market profile traders without having the market profile software. Now, first things the day before, what kind of value area high, value area low, and POC was there. Now we have to observe for few days as we are new to the C market profile, the price movement in C period and J period, and most of the important that what kind of trend is going on. It is J, it is uptrend, downtrend, or on consolidation. Because on consolidation, the CJ will be in the similar line, same line. They're one after another going in a very narrow range. There is also interpretation if it is in narrow range, what comes next. We are not going into that because today we are discussing our very basics of Desi market profile. Now, as usually, most of us are taking help of MACD, RSI, moving averages, ADX, DMI, whatever the tools are there. So these tools are to be used along with this market profile, and we must also look into the fact that what kind of volume is being played on formation of a candle, because volume is the most important thing, the heart of the Desi market profile. Not only Desi market profile, if suppose a big buying is coming, uh, someone bought 2 lakh of Nifty, so where he will make loss, so he will try to push the price higher and square up his position. When he square up his position, how he is squaring up his position? If he sold 3 lakh, then the price will suddenly dip. So these volumes are not always available to be seen, or this selling order or buying order can't be seen by us unless you have Spider or any other paid software to show that what kind of volume is being traded. But in the volume bar or in volume profile, you can see those things. However, in future charts, the volumes are seen. If you put the chart in a 1 minute time frame, and if you using other trading platform, you can see number of buying from there. Why we need C? We need C because we need to see that there is a divergence in volume and with the candle. Now this is an example how this acted. See, the third candle is C period. This is a value area high. There are 5 candles, 6 candles which this price that got a resistance over there. There are POC or 7 candles mostly traded in between these 8996, 56 is a POC, and the below side there is a 8922. Here 3 or 4 candles tried to play most of the day. Downside is the value area low. When C is closed and next to C candle, if any price candle did not trade above the C close, so we will think that either it will go to consolidation or there will be a chance of a downside. Now see the next candle, the D candle here did not go below the C close, but E candle goes below the C and it dipped down at least 100 point. Rather, a good trade on short side you get. Whereas in other day there was a gap. Everybody was expecting that the upside gap was there, it will fill up, but not immediately. And next, see the J period high is breached and it goes up. It goes up there. And the next day, see that C period is breached side and it goes up to here because J period low was not broken on the next day, it did not go down. Now this is the candle on 30 minutes time frame of Nifty of April expiry. See the value area high upside, POC is there and value area low is there. Now there is a gap between downside, so everybody will be taking a trade that uh, there was a gap, so we'll take a sell position. But this gap was not filled up by the candles last day, because the C period high was broken, a buy trade was there, J period low was broken, a trade was there intraday, and M period is now. We'll see how the price move on the next day. So this is the very basics of the Desi market profile approach. Without looking at the market profile tools, I hope to continue with the market profile approach in a Desi style in my next video.